Hello guys, you're watching Egg Pirate. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can apply highly realistic lipstick to your images. Let's choose this image for instance. Now I'll go to Tools and select Curves. I'm going to apply the pink lipstick to the portrait. To do this, I'm going to increase reds and then I'll go to greens and decrease greens to increase the magenta. Magenta is opposite of green color. Now press the tick icon and go to View Edits. From here, select Curves and then choose the brush tool. Now I can start painting over the lips. After the painting is completed, press the tick button in the corner. Now the image is ready to save.